The next problem is prove that the ratio of areas of two similar triangles is equal to the square of the ratio of their corresponding medians. So, two triangles are similar, then their sides ratios and areas ratios will be equal to their medians ratio also. So that one we have to prove. So now we taking two triangles that are similar, A, B, C, one triangle and D, E, F, another triangle. These two triangles to two medians taking. So ABC triangle's median is AX and DEF triangle median from D is DY feeling. Okay, so now given triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. So two triangles are similar, so their corresponding sides ratio is equal and the corresponding angles are equal. So angle A equal to angle D, angle B equal to angle E, angle C equal to angle F, and AB by DE equal to BC by EF equal to CA by DF. Next, AX DY are medians. AX and DY are medians of triangle ABC and triangle DEF. The next one, the squares of the ratio of their corresponding medians is equal to the areas of two similar triangles. So first we taking these two similar triangles area. So area of triangle ABC and area of triangle DEF, these two triangles ratio. So already we know the theorem, if two triangles are similar, then the two triangles areas ratio is equal to their corresponding sides squares ratio. So that purpose AB by DE whole square equal to BC by EF whole square, that equal to CA by DF whole square. Okay, so now we observing ABX triangle and DEY triangle, these two triangles to observing in triangle ABX triangle DEY, angle B equal to angle E and AB by DE equal to BC by EF. Now in the place of BC by EF, of BC of EF writing. So with the same fraction we dividing. So there is no change in BC by DF. So half of BC. So BC to half taken means that is nothing but BX or XC. Why? Because it is median AX. So it will divide in equal ratio. That means BX by EY. So AB by DE equal to BX by EY, and angle B equal to angle E. So by SAS similarity, triangle ABX is similar to triangle DEY. So now these two triangles are similar, so their corresponding sides ratio is equal. So AB by DE equal to BX by EY, that is equal to AX by DY. So from here we know that AB by DE whole square is nothing but area of triangle ABC by area of triangle DEF. So area of triangle ABC by area of triangle DEF equal to AB by DE whole square. So from here AB by DE equal to, we can write AX by DY. So this AX DY are medians. So that medians I am taking AX by DY whole square. So the two similar triangles areas ratio is equal to square of their corresponding medians ratio. That one we proved here. Given triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF, BC equal to 3 centimeters, EF equal to 4 centimeters, and area of triangle ABC equal to 54 centimeters square, determine the area of triangle DEF, that is given. Okay, so our two given triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF and BC equal to 3 centimeters, EF equal to 4 centimeters, and area of triangle ABC equal to 54 centimeters square given. Okay, now we know that if two triangles are similar, then the two triangles areas ratio is equal to the square of their corresponding sides ratio. So by using that theorem, so if two triangles are similar, then the ratio of the areas of the triangles is equal to the squares of ratios of the corresponding sides. So area of triangle ABC by area of triangle DEF that is nothing but here AB by DE whole square that equal to BC by EF whole square that equal to AC by DF whole square. But here our two given the sides BC and EF only, so that purpose that will be taking. So area of triangle ABC by area of triangle DEF equal to BC by EF whole square. Now the given values substituting. BC value is 3, so 3 by EF value is 4, so 3 by 4 whole square that equal to. Now area of triangle ABC is 54 given by area of triangle DEF, that one we don't know, that is only our asking area of triangle DEF. So now 3 square equal to, we already know, that is 9 and 4 square equal to 16. So 9 by 16 by cross multiplication area of triangle DEF equal to 54 into 16 by 9. So 9 ones 9 6 54, so 16 6 ja 96. So area of triangle DEF is nothing but 96 square centimeters. Okay, the areas of two similar triangles are 81 centimeter square and 49 centimeter square respectively. If the altitude of bigger triangle is 4.5 centimeters, find the corresponding altitude of the smaller triangle. Okay, so here also given two similar triangles areas 81 centimeter square and 49 centimeter square, and in the two triangles one triangle altitude is 4.5, find corresponding another triangle's altitude. So here we already know that if two triangles are similar, then the ratio of the areas of two triangles is equal to the squares of the ratios of the corresponding sides. So the corresponding sides place, if we take an altitudes, they are also equal only. Why? Because before only we checked for a problem the medians ratios square is equal. That purpose that altitude ratio will also equal. Okay, so now our two given area of first triangle equal to 81 centimeter square, second triangle 49 centimeter square, and first triangle's side, that is nothing but altitude is 4.5 centimeters. Now we want to find second triangle's side, that is altitude, and here that is bigger one given. In these two areas the bigger one area is 81, that is first, that purpose first triangle's side only we taken. So area of first triangle by area of second triangle ratio is nothing but first triangle's side by second triangle's side whole square. Why? Because corresponding sides ratio. So now first triangle's side ratio is 81 given, second one is 49 given area, and first triangle side is 4.5 centimeters given, second one triangle's side ratio is not given. So second triangle's side whole square. So here 81 by 49. So 81 and 49 can be expressed as 81 can be expressed as 9 square, 9 9 ja, 49 can be expressed as 7 square. That means 9 by 7 whole square equal to 4.5 by second triangle's side whole square. So now both sides square will be cancelled. Now we can take 9 by 7 equal to 4.5 by second triangle's side. Now by that cross multiplication, second triangle's side equal to 7 into 4.5 by 9. So 9 ones 9.5, that equal to 3.5. So second triangle's side is 3.5 centimeters. That is nothing but altitude of smaller triangle. Therefore altitude of smaller triangle equal to 3.5 centimeters. ABC is a triangle and PQ is a straight line meeting AB in P and AC in Q. If AP equal to 1 centimeters and BP equal to 3 centimeters, AQ equal to 1.5 centimeter, CQ equal to 4.5 centimeters. Prove that area of triangle APQ equal to 1 by 16 area of triangle ABC. That one we have to prove. So first drawing the diagram for the given information. Now A, B, C, a triangle. For this triangle PQ is a straight line on AB, P point there, and on AC, Q point there. Now joining, so it is a straight line given. So now if we observe the given measurements, AP equal to 1 centimeter and BP is 3 centimeters given and AQ is 1.5 centimeters given and CQ is 4.5 centimeters given. So now if we writing that information given in triangle ABC, AP equal to 1 centimeter, BP equal to 3 centimeters, AQ equal to 1.5 centimeters, CQ equal to 4.5 centimeters. Now if we find the ratio of AP by PB, AP by PB, that is nothing but 1 by 3. Its ratio is 1 by 3. If we find the ratio of AQ by QC, A cube by QC, that equal to 1.5 by 4.5. 1.5 by 4.5 means it is also nothing but the ratio is 1 by 3. So now here these two sides ratio will be equal. That means PQ straight line is parallel to BC. So PQ is parallel to BC. So parallel purpose, now if we observe in triangle APQ, triangle ABC, angle A equal to angle A, since common angle, and angle P equal to angle B. Why? Because they are parallel lines. So these two are called corresponding angles. Similarly, angle Q equal to angle C. Angle Q equal to angle C. They are also corresponding angles. So by AAA similarity, triangle APQ is similar to triangle ABC. So two triangles are similar, so their corresponding sides ratio will be equal. So AP by AB equal to PQ by BC equal to AQ by AC. And if two triangles are similar, then the ratio of these two triangles is equal to the squares of the ratios of their corresponding sides. Okay. So if two triangles are similar, then the ratio of the two triangles area is equal to the squares of the ratio of their corresponding sides. Okay, corresponding sides. So now here APQ and ABC triangles sides areas ratio writing. So area of triangle APQ by area of triangle ABC, that equal to AP by AB whole square, that equal to PQ by BC whole square, that equal to AQ by AC whole square. Now I am taking from these three ratios AP by AB whole square, AP by AB whole square. Now we know the measurements of AP and AB. AP measurement is 1 centimeter given and AB measurement direct not given, but PB measurement 3 centimeters given. That means total AB means AP plus PB, that equal to 1 plus 3, that is nothing but 4. So 1 by 4 whole square. 1 by 4 whole square means that is nothing but 1 by 16. So the ratio of area of triangle APQ by area of triangle ABC is nothing but 1 by 16. Therefore, for our answer purpose, this denominator transferring that side, that is multiplication. Area of triangle APQ equal to 1 by 16 area of triangle ABC. Okay.